Okay.
Who is Soulja
You know
Boy?
what
And
Superman
what the heck is that
Superman
dance?
that hoe? Soulja Boy?
You!
Yeah.
Soulja Boy, so. Hey, I got the new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You gotta punch, then crank back 3 times for a little right. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy? That Superman and all that. Why me you crank that soda? Why me you crank that soda? Why me you crank that soda? Why me you crank that?
Here's the top. It was really good. It was cooking. Oh my god. My hair is flying. Hey Jen, I think you need to come hold the chair because it's gonna fall over. What? The chair. What? The chair is gonna fall over. Come on, Jenna. I feel drunk. Hold the chair.
What if you kick me?
Then I'll laugh. I will kick you though.
See, how am I supposed to hold it?
think of something. I can't hear it. Are you videotaping this? I knew it. Okay, we have like 80 videos. We don't need another one of me putting on makeup.
Yeah, we do.
Why?
Because it's funny.
Oh, hilarious. You made me screw up so bad. I was really mad now.
Why won't my hair stay to the side like this?
Because it hates you.
It does. My like head is cut off right here. Let's get to Jess's level.
Excuse you.